people are saying, could we also use for trying to prevent head and neck cancer? But that has not yet become a common thing. So abhi tak wo, a lot of these are dependent on the clinical trials, and if it shows whether it's worth giving millions of men a vaccine to try to prevent a minuscule amount of cancer, whether it's worth it or not. That's a public debate, and the trials. So far they're not giving it.
Okay,
to men.
I have two
As far as
questions. I have two questions, डॉक्टर साहब, कि जो वायरस जो बोल रहे हैं, it's transmitted through sexual whatever multiple partners वगैरह से, it's sexually transmitted virus है. But if you trace back a little bit further back, वायरस कहाँ से आया ह्यूमन बॉडी के अंदर, unless it's existing already in nature in the body, so where do they get?
बिल्कुल. I have to say that I am very ignorant, because that's more for the infectious disease specialist. I am not an expert in virology.
Right, I understand. But is it commonly existing in the human body at all, or it has to have origin from somewhere, right? Wo question, general knowledge question.
I am going to just speculate on this.
Okay.
I don't think it's. I mean, there are some viruses that are existed in nature, but I don't know the origin of HPV as such.
Acha. So, in the degree of life expectancy, if a person is infected with HPV, so life expectancy is curable. It's totally.
Yeah. So, in general, HPV should have no impact on life expectancy, and the reason I'm saying that, because most people who have HPV will never have any cancer. Most wouldn't. Achha. Only a small number of HPV infected women will get cervical cancer.
Okay.
And a very small number of men with HPV will have head and neck, or even women can have head and neck cancer. So it's not a lot. So most people who have HPV will actually not get cancer. Most wouldn't.
No, cancer hota hai to treatable and preventable. Can be treated.
Exactly. But among these cancers, although overall they're not super common, but cervical cancer is relatively more common, and it's relatively more common in India and other third world countries compared to more developed countries. So you have to look at what is the risk and what is the benefit. So the risk of that vaccine for cervical cancer is not hardly any risk, so they think it's worth giving it to every woman.
A general, but it has to go through stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 for same thing as other cancers also.
That's practically for almost every cancer has those stages. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So there
are some exceptions always, but generally that's the rule.
So generally, patient recovers totally. There's kind of totally what remission ho jata hai. Matlab patient becomes normal.
Of course. So you see, when they are doing Pap smear for cervical cancer, they're actually trying to pick it up, not even stage 1. For cervical cancer, they use something called stage 0, which is even less than 1.
Acha, or 0.
Exactly. So the idea is to pick it up very early, and if picked up very early, almost everybody will be cured.
Okay, before that. So usually it has to have some kind of radiation or chemotherapy, whatever, to treat it.
Well, for stage 0, they may need nothing. They may just need some local treatment, which is done by the gynecologist.
Achha, that can be cured. Okay.
If it's stage 0, they're not going to need radiation. They're not going to need chemo. They will just be treated usually by the gynecologist by some type of local procedure.
So
cervix.
Do they look for dysplasia, right?
That's dysplasia, which is not even cancer at all. That is just dysplasia is the it's the precursor precancerous to the cancer. But if you can pick it up that early, that's great.
Okay, but dysplasia is the zaruri nahi ke it has to convert into cancer, right?
No, not every dysplasia will turn into
cancer. Okay. It can repair itself to come normal.
Sorry?
Dysplasia is reversible, can go back to normal cell?
Well, it can, but usually it doesn't. Sometimes it may go away, but and I don't treat patients who have dysplasia. I mean, by the time they come to us, it's
जी
not dysplasia. They
जी
usually go to the gynecologist for the dysplasia part.
अच्छा हाँ
They only come to me as an oncologist once it's beyond that.
ओके ओके ट्रीटेबल हाँ हाँ हाँ
Yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा सो इन दिस केस डॉक्टर साहब जो लीजन होते हैं सर्विक्स इज पार्ट ऑफ द यूट्रस राइट
Exactly. It's part of the uterus.
ओके इट्स नॉट द एंट्री इट्स द बॉडी ऑफ द नो इट्स एंट्री ऑफ द
Exactly. So the uterus has two major parts:
fundus and
the body, and the
so
cervix.
and okay
And exactly. So the body, when we do not qualify and we just use the word uterus, we mean the body of the uterus.
okay body part
But for cervix, we qualify that part and we say it's the cervix, which is not, technically speaking, it's not uterus. It's a part of it as a whole,
अच्छा
but it's a separate part, cervix.
okay and it can become malignant it can also have this what do you call this spreading to the other part of the body too especially to head and neck
Of course. So just like any cancer,
okay
once it spreads,
metastasis
it can any cancer, practically almost every cancer can metastasize
जी जी
once.
जी हाँ हाँ
And usually for most cancers, once it has metastasized, we call it stage 4.
okay okay okay
Most of the now, I mean, there are some exceptions, but most of the time, metastases means it's stage 4.
अच्छा so the patient gets treated as full life
If once it's stage 4,
Mhm.
so cervical cancer stage 4 is considered incurable. It's not going to be cured. Once you're stage 4 cervical cancer, especially if it has metastasized, it's not going to be curable, but it's treatable. So most people can be treated and can live longer than if they didn't get treated.
अच्छा
But most people, once it's stage 4, will not be cured of their cervical cancer. Most of them.
अच्छा as you said डॉक्टर साहब के mostly vaccinate करना is prophylactically is much better a person who's
Right.
not vaccinated for HPV whatever so there's no way to prevent that in case we're just trying to be a little paranoia about that we don't know है नहीं है तो obviously men should also get tested
You say that again?
no you said vaccine जो होती है HPV vaccine जो
हाँ.
होती है तो अगर वो
Yes.
अगर किसी ने not taken the vaccine and
हाँ.
so the person who's marrying or taking a chance, that means
Ah.
the men also should go through in case that they got infected. They have any symptoms and signs to see if they are
No,
carrying.
so the HPV, as far as I'm concerned, hardly produces much symptom and sign. Hardly. So it's hard to know. But that's not the way you can detect, So that's
Achha,
just not, to my knowledge, yeah.
Correct. But what I'm saying is, if men were to be infected in sexually transmission, but the women actually transmit the disease to men in sexual encounter, right?
Yeah, it could happen from either partner. So
Oh,
the man
okay.
can transmit to the woman or the woman can transmit to the man.
So-
It can happen either way.
So where would the man carry in the urethra?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Exactly.
Okay, but urethra में डॉक्टर साहब अगर होता है तो the patient will have difficulty in micturition. Those kind of problems will be there, right?
No, there are many infections in the urethra that are asymptomatic. They may not have any symptoms.
Achha.
They may, but you cannot reliably say with or without symptoms. So, for example,
जी.
if they have gonorrhea or chlamydia, they are much more likely to be symptomatic from it. HPV can be quite asymptomatic, so it's very difficult to know.
अच्छा so even if you transmit HPV जरूरी नहीं कि it has to turn into cancer.
जरूरी नहीं कि क्या?
It should turn into malignancy.
In fact, in most, it wouldn't. Most people, as I'm telling you, most people who have HPV will never have cancer their whole life. Only a small number will have.
अच्छा that's okay and it goes to stage 4.
but अब इसमें चक्कर ये है ना
जी.
कि चूंकि HPV बहुत कॉमन है,
जी
तो उन कॉमन में से कुछ लोगों को भी कैंसर हो जाता है, तो वो काफी हो जाता है.
अच्छा डीप हो जाता है लेकिन women will not know if they carry HPV virus symptoms कुछ नहीं होते उनमें भी.
Generally नहीं, most of they may have some symptoms, but generally they will not know. It may be
अच्छा.
so transient that they may not even know. Yeah.
अच्छा so woman who is sexually not active at all, she'll be having no HPV at all.
Yes. So if they say a nun, for example, or a they are not likely to get cervical cancer because they have never been
Practice.
sexually.
Acha, acha, acha,
Exactly.
acha. Any virgin?
Now remember, a woman can still get cervical cancer because there are other risk factors for cervical cancer also. HPV is not the only risk factor,
Acha.
but it's sometimes even smoking can cause cervical cancer, even though people associate
not HPV.
smoking. Huh?
Not
HPV.
Okay, I got
Exactly.
you. I got you.
Not an HPV related cancer. Exactly.
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
जब कैमरा में होती हैं तो मैं सामने बैठने तब जो मुंह कैमरा से इधर बाहर निकल जा रहे हैं तो थोड़ा ओके मेरा क्वेश्चन ये a person who's overly sexually active, in other words, it's not a precursor for getting HIV virus, right? I mean, he may not have.
Not necessarily. No,
Okay, that's
because you could, somebody could be active once or twice and still may get it, and somebody may be active 50 times and still. So what I'm trying to say in a nutshell,
जी.
HPV को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए वो जो तरीके हैं वो कारगर नहीं होने वाले हैं कि हम ये एक्टिविटी नहीं करें, क्योंकि वो इतना ज्यादा कॉमन है, वो किसी न किसी रूप में, एक्सेप्ट अनलेस यू आर अ कंप्लीटली अ नन और
father,
you are absolutely exactly you are practicing
abstinence, yeah,
abstinence, complete abstinence. Other than that, there's no way to guarantee. It's so very common. So the only way to protect is through the vaccine or become a nun and an abstinent person.
अच्छा. And second thing, डॉक्टर साहब, ये जो होते हैं homosexual जो बोलते हैं, they can also carry HPV through men to men.
हाँ, वो तो इसीलिए, remember, if a homosexual practice can lead to anal cancer, some of them could be HPV.
Okay, that could be HPV. Okay, समझ गया. Okay.
You see, just like cervical cancer can be due to many other causes other than HPV.
Correct. Okay.
Similarly, anal cancer can be also due to smoking. It could be due to many other reasons.
Achha.
One cause is HPV, and so sexual practice can lead to an anal cancer due to HPV.
जी. दोस्तों, if you have any question for Dr. Neher about any cancer, just general question, doctor will be happy to answer your question in a very general manner. If anything particular, he'll definitely advise to see your personal doctor. Let's have one more song, Dr. Sir, before we go.